Loki komt helpen.
Hi guys, mabuhay. So this is our first time unboxing of our HelloFresh. Zin in HelloFresh. So this is our first time because as I've mentioned the previous video that we're already starting to eat healthy. And we're also going to make some simple foods which is also healthy. So yeah, I'm very excited and very curious what's really here on the box.
Only tell them it's no promotion. It's
Yeah, it's not a promotion, but yeah,
not sponsored.
We're not actually we're not promoting HelloFresh, but maybe HelloFresh, maybe there's something, at least one dish per week. So we're going to say hi to the camera. So this is our loving Loki. So say hi to the camera, Loki. Yeah, he wants to be in the camera also. Wacht even, Loki. Mama ears. Okay, let's open up our HelloFresh box. Let's see what's in here. It's actually good for 1 week. So we're going to make everything. Oh, so this is it. So HelloFresh, they have here the menu. They already should I just steer it? Okay, I think here you can see the whole menu for this week. Okay, here we go. So there is some, there are also some boneches, for example. So here are the copy of our menu. Hello, Mark. So nieuwe week first menu. Yeah, so these are the sample. They have here also the recipe is already included. So, and all the ingredients were here. So let's try first. What do we have for this week? Is it also this one from 11 to 17? So there is like risotto met winkel. There is ook
Loki.
3 tomaten
Ah nee, Loki is inside.
Hey Loki, nee, niet doen. Orzo met kofte style ronder gehakt. Scuf, oh my goodness, this is really Dutch, guys, so it's very different to pronounce. Yeah, scavis en ontbijtspek met wortel. Sesame kip met pittige broccoli. Boko loco burger met gebakken ei. Farfalle met boospadensto ellen pesto. I'm not really certain if I pronounce it correct. Correct me if I'm wrong. Bowl met orzo kippendij komkommer. Gorgette roletjes fold. So here are our menu for this week. So yeah, the menus and all the, as I've mentioned, like you can see, there are here the ingredients as well. So there, you just need to follow the instructions and everything is here. So let's start here. So for example, this is the first menu. So they already have here, some of the veggies. This one, the bieslook, the komkommer, the patatas, small potatoes with the cooking cream. Then the tomatoes and vegetarisch schnitzel pavé gemijnd. Ik weet niet. Maar yeah, this is the first one. So we just need to, let's open the second one. So we do have here spinachy with think, honey, this is really very healthy, right? More vegetables. So this is mushrooms. Then tomato paste. Hello Fresh cream. Fresh.
Loki.
Also the onion with the walnuts. And soy sauce is here. And then barbecue rub spices. And this one is, I'm not so certain, what is this one? Giggly. What is giggly? I'm really, how do you call it? Curious what's the food gonna look like. So guys, there are actually 4. There is a number, okay? And because this is number 2, talk number 2.
Ja, dat is K.
And this is number 5, alleen 4, toch? Weet je?
Is heel veel champignon.
Okay,
Ah,
no, just disregard maybe the number, I don't know. Oh, cute. So, I don't know. So this one, also champignons of
en dit.
what is this? Yeah, champignons. Mushrooms. Yeah, and then this is pasta. So let's remove this box first. It's very big. I have balls. And then, yeah, Croden Rome has. So this one with this, and this one is the meatballs. And for the next box, it's
Loki de Likker.
Bonen.
Loki de Likker.
Bonen of beans.
Loki de Likker is weer actief.
Rice.
Oh, nee.
Oh. Loki, alsjeblieft, jongen. Nee doen. Niet op tafel. Oh, kip. Mijn favoriet. Chicken.
Loki is weer actief.
They also have tofu.
Oh nee, Loki is weer actief.
Nee, doen. Alsjeblieft, Loki. Nee, dit is niet voor jou. Ja, zie je? And then another. I think all the boxes has the mushroom, right?
Ja.
Mushroom for this, mushroom for here. Oh, ik ben heel benieuwd. Okay, so which one are we going to make first?
Doesn't matter.
Yeah, I think so. Let's show them the very easy recipe.
But I think vegetarian was not there. Can I have the...
Yeah, let's hear look. So this is the... Okay. So, yes guys, so this is the part 1. And this is also our first unboxing of HelloFresh. So, I'm very excited. What's the taste? I think it's really healthy since it's a lot of vegetables. So, hopefully, let's get fit. Yeah, that's it for today, guys. And of course, we're going to show you the first menu. We're going to show you, and of course, we're going to make some, how do you call it one? Make some feedback if it's really, delicious also. Of course, it's very obvious it's healthy. So let's see if it's really also simple and delicious. Tot ziens, tot straks. Doei doei.